Before any progress, one has to have a direction to aim for. First Things First was built to help people strategically declutter and crystallize their work and lives. The chaos of wishes, plans, and possibilities can be prioritized, cleaned up, and a direction can be set to aim for. First Things First combines experience, intuition, and rationality. What was once messy, fuzzy, and unclear can become structured and targeted. Using First Things First, you can create a project with criteria and initiatives, do evaluations from all different dimensions, and finally get the calculated final sorted things to aim for. I will give you a couple of examples how you can use the tool. If you are interested in productivity, you probably have heard the term Eisenhower Matrix. It was named after one of the presidents of the United States, Dwight David Eisenhower, who once said, "I have two kinds of problems, the urgent and the important. The urgent are not important, and the important are never urgent." The matrix is a strategic tool used to organize tasks. Eisenhower matrix is a grid of 2 by 2 squares where you have columns for urgent and not urgent tasks and rows for important and not important tasks. You take your daily, weekly, or even monthly responsibilities and activities and write them down into the cells of this grid matching your criteria. Then, what is in the urgent and important cell is something that you must do immediately. What is in the not urgent but still important cell, you decide when to do that. What is in the urgent but not important cell, you delegate to other people. And you get rid of the rest because that's only waste of time. You can create a similar project with First Things First. In the criteria, you would create urgency and importance. Let them be evaluated from very low to very high. In the initiatives, you would create all the daily tasks that you need to sort out. In the next step, you would grade the urgency of each task and the importance of each task. At last, you would see the calculated results with what falls into things to do right now, what is something to schedule or delegate, and what is to forget. You can print the results or save to PDF or send them to somebody by email. But here the usefulness of the tool just begins. What if you have tens or even hundreds of tasks? Or what if you have more than two dimensions to evaluate by? For example, you need quick-to-do tasks to be done before time-consuming tasks, or maybe socially responsible tasks to get done before socially ignorant ones. Here, instead of two dimensions, you get four: urgency, importance, quickness to do, and social responsibility. This can be easily drawn and managed on paper, but you can still rank them by all those dimensions using First Things First online. Let's have a look at another example. If you are interested in self-development and self-improvement, you might have heard of Ikigai. It's a Japanese term for a reason for being. It defines a concept of one's true findings and combines what you love, what you are good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. It's believed that everyone has their Ikigai. You might be interested and involved in many things in life, but with First Things First, you can sort them and find what is the closest to your personal fulfillment, so that you could draw even more attention to it, become a professional there, spend more time on improving that thing, or finally tell other people about it. So, with First Things First, at the criteria you would create yes no questions. Do I love doing it? Am I good at it? Can I be paid for it? And does the world need it? Let them be evaluated with answers from definitely not to definitely. In the initiatives, you would write down all the activities that you usually do, have done in the past, or would like to do in the future, like your interests, hobbies, and former professions. In the next step, you would answer your questions for each of the activities. And when you finish that, you would see the results of your Ikigai. You might have several activities that are totally your Ikigai, or some activities that are close to it, but you would know what to improve or where to keep searching. You can use the online tool for many other purposes too. For example, to find the winning pieces of art at a competition, or choose the best home to live or car to drive, or to create a strategic 3-year plan for your startup. After prioritizing how you progress in life and achieve what you planned, depends on habits, time planning, and external circumstances.